So okay, you can see here in question number 2, find the SCF of the following expressions. And in J number, x power 4 plus 4y power 4. This is the first expression. And 2x cube y plus 4x y cube plus 4x square y square is the second expression. Now we have to find the SCF here. Okay, we have to find the SCF. So let's solve it. Right here. First expression is equals to, first expression is x power 4 plus 4y power 4. Okay, now we have to convert it into a square plus b square form. Okay, so we can write here x square and then whole square. Okay, x square and then whole square. Okay. So plus then 2y square then whole square. Okay, we can write here x square then whole square plus 2y square whole square. Now this act as a. अब यसलाई हामीले a suppose गरौँ, x square भनेको a, 2y square means b. So it is in the form of a square plus b square. Okay, so this is in the form of a square plus b square. Now let's use the formula for a square plus b square. हामीले कुन formula use गर्नु पर्यो? Okay, a plus b को whole square then minus 2ab. Okay, that one formula we have to use. So let's write here a भनेको x square a. Okay, a then plus a plus b भनेको चाहिँ 2y square. Okay, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, minus 2ab means 2, then a means x square, 2 into x square, and then b भनेको 2y square. Okay, b means 2y square. So in this way we have converted here the formula. Okay, a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, in that form we have converted here. Now simply let's write this as it is, x square plus 2y square whole square. Okay, as it is लेखौं. And यहाँ त हाम्रो के हुन्छ त, this is 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4x square y square. We can write here 4x square y square. Okay, again this one is x square plus 2y square then whole square minus this one is 2xy whole square we can write. अब यसलाई हामीले कसरी लेख्न मिल्यो त, 4 भनेको 2 को स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर भनेको x को स्क्वायर, y स्क्वायर भनेको y को स्क्वायर. So we can write 2xy whole square. Okay, now what we can use here, again we can use here a square minus b square formula. अब त हामीले a square minus b square formula use गर्न मिल्यो. We can suppose this is a, यसलाई हामीले a suppose गर्न मिल्यो, and this one is b. Okay, so now let's convert it into a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, ल पहिला a plus b लेखौं. x square plus 2y square भनेको a plus b भनेको 2xy. Okay, again we can write here x square plus 2y square then minus 2xy. Okay, now let's write it by arranging. Arrange गरेर लेखौं 2xy लाई. You can write here at the middle x square plus, then write here 2xy, then plus 2y square. Okay, and x square minus 2xy plus 2y square. Okay, 2y square. So in this way this one is factorized. हामीले first expression लाई completely factorize गरिसक्यौं है. Okay, x square plus 2xy plus 2y square, x square minus 2xy plus 2y square. In this way, this is completely factorized. Now we are going to do here the second expression. Okay, I'm saying as a second expression. So let's write here our second expression. Okay, so let's write here second expression. Second expression, here it is 2x cube y plus 4x y cube. Okay, plus 4x square y square. ल अब सबभन्दा पहिले त हामीले यो फ्याक्टराइज गर्दाखेरि एट फर्स्ट यु हेभ टु लुक एट देयर केही कमन छ कि छैन भनेर हेर्नुपर्छ है। हाम्रो फ्याक्टराइज गर्ने तरिका के हो त, फर्स्टमा कमन छ कि छैन। ओके, इफ देयर इज कमन देन वी हेभ टु टेक द कमन। अब कमन छैन भने क्यान वी युज द फर्मुला देयर, फर्मुला युज गर्न मिल्छ भने वी हेभ टु युज द फर्मुला। ओके, सो यसमा हेर्दाखेरि त हामीलाई यु क्यान सेयर इन अल वी क्यान टेक केयर कमन। ओके, सो वी क्यान टेक केयर कमन है, सबैमा 2xy कमन लिन मिल्छ है, किन भन्दा यहाँ 2 छ, here also 2, here also 2, सो 2 इज कमन। अब यहाँ लिस्ट पावर भएको x को लिस्ट पावर भनेको x मात्रै हो, सो x विल बी कमन। ओके, y को लिस्ट पावर भनेको y छ, सो y विल बी कमन। ओके, कमन लिँदाखेरि हेर्नु पर्यो यहाँ सबैमा x y अनि 2 छ, हामीले पावर लिस्ट पावर भएको चाहिँ के हुन्छ त, इट विल बी इन कमन। That's why 2xy is common. Now remaining here is x square. Okay, यसमा x square remaining भयो, and then plus यसमा 2xy is common. Okay, 2xy is common, so 2y square is remaining, and then plus, okay, here is also 2xy is already common, means 2xy is remaining. Okay, now just write it by arranging गरेर लेखौं। यसमा x square, then at the middle plus 2xy, okay, and then plus 2y square. In this way we can write. Okay, now you are completely factorized. Okay, now it is completely factorized. Now for the SCF we have to look at here the common thing. अब दुवैमा भएको एक्सप्रेसन कुन छ त, x square plus 2xy plus 2y square. Here also x square plus 2xy plus 2y square. Okay, so therefore SCF is equals to x square plus 2xy plus 2y square. Okay, so in this way we completed this question number 2J. Okay, now you can see here the question number 2L. Here first expression is 16x power 4 minus 4x square, then minus 4x minus 1. Okay, this is the first expression. And second expression is 8x cube minus 1. Okay, now again we have to find here the SCF. Okay, for that let's start to solve it. So what is given? Okay, here given first expression. First expression is equals to 16x power 4. 16x power 4 minus 4x square. Okay, minus 4x minus 1. This is the first expression. Now we have to factorize it. अब यसलाई factorize गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, यहाँ factorize गर्दाखेरि you can see here यहाँ त x power 4 छ. Okay, here is x power 4. यहाँ स्क्वायर वाला टर्म छ, यहाँ x छ, यहाँ 1 छ. यो तीनवटा टर्म हेर्दाखेरि okay, I think we can factorize this term. यो तीनटा टर्मलाई मात्र हेर्दा we can factorize it. त्यसलाई हामीले स्क्वायर को फर्ममा लान मिल्ने टर्म छ. Look at here. यो तीनटै टर्मलाई हेर्दा स्क्वायर को टर्ममा लान मिल्ने टर्म छ है. So what we are going to do here, we'll just write here 16x power 4, then minus we'll take common here. Okay, from these three terms. If we take minus common, then it will be 4x square, okay, plus 4x plus 1. 4x square plus 4x plus 1, because minus is already common here. Common भएको हुनाले यो 4x square plus 4x plus 1 भयो है. अब यसलाई हामीले डाइरेक्टली what we can write here 16x power 4 minus यो कस्तो फर्ममा छ एकपटक हेरौँ है. यो भनेको 2x को स्क्वायर फर्ममा छ, a स्क्वायर, ओके, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर को फर्ममा छ. अदरवाइज यु क्यान चेक इट. ओके, यो भनेको 2x को स्क्वायर भनेको 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab भनेको 2 to the 4x. Okay, then plus 1 को square we can write. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we can write here a plus b whole square. 16x power 4, then minus this one we can write is 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, we can write it as 2x plus 1 whole square. अब यतिन्जेलसम्ममा हामीले यसलाई पनि स्क्वायर को फर्ममा चेन्ज गरि सक्दा हुन्छ है. किन भन्दा we can use here a square minus b square फर्मुला. Look at here. यो पनि त 4x स्क्वायर को होल स्क्वायर हुन्छ. ओके, This is also the square of 4x square. 16x power 4 means this is the square of 4x square whole square. Okay, then minus 2x plus 1 square. Now we can use here a square minus b square formula. Okay, अब a square minus b square को formula use गर्न मिल्यो. त्यो भनेको a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so here will be a plus b means 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, this is a plus b. र a minus b को लागि चाहिँ अलिकति यहाँ ध्यान दिनुपर्ने कुरा के छ त, a भनेको यहाँ सिंगल टर्म छ. अब माइनस पछाडी you can see here two terms. दुईटा टर्म भएको हुनाले minus as it is right here and then use bracket. Because we have to open with minus sign. Minus sign ले open गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है. So here we can write 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, here it will be 4x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, so can we factorize further? हामीले factorize गर्न मिल्छ त? अब अझै मिल्छ भने we have to do. If not, then we have to live in this step. Okay, अब यो factorize त पक्कै गर्न मिल्दैन. 4 1 जा 4. Okay, अब यहाँ प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन हुनु पर्यो. हो यहाँ त्यस्तो फ्याक्टराइज गर्न मिल्ने छ त? छैन है. Okay, we cannot factorize it. Factorize गर्न मिल्ने छैन. That's why live. Okay, up to here. यति समय छोड्दिने. र now let's do here for the second expression. अब second expression को लागि हेरौँ है. First expression we have completely factorized. Okay, now let's look at here for the second expression. Okay, second expression you can see here 8x cube minus 1. अब यो cube को फर्म मा छ. Okay, 8 भनेको पनि this is the cube of 2. यो 2 को cube हो. That's why we can use here a cube minus b cube formula. Okay, for that we have to write here 2x then cube. Okay, 2x cube then minus 1 cube we can write. 2x cube then minus 1 cube. Okay, now you have to know the formula here for a cube minus b cube. अब a cube minus b cube को formula जान्नु पर्यो है. Do you know the formula for a cube minus b cube? Okay, let's write है. ल a minus b भनेको यहाँ 2x भनेको a हो. So 2x minus 1. ल ठीक छ, 2x minus 1. Okay, use here the curly bracket. So 2x means we have to use a cube minus b cube formula. हामीले यहाँ a cube minus b cube formula use गर्यौं. a cube minus b cube formula मा के हुन्छ त? a minus b a square plus ab plus b square हुन्छ है. That is the formula for a cube minus b cube. त्यसैले यहाँ चाहिँ अब 2x minus 1 लेख्नु पर्यो. किन भन्दा a minus b भनेको 2x minus 1. Then a square भनेको 2x को square and then plus ab भनेको 2x into 1 and then plus 1 square. Okay, now simply let's open it. अब यसलाई हामीले simply 2x minus 1 र यो के गर्नु पर्यो? 2x को square भनेको this will be 4x square. Then 2x into 1 means 2x plus 1 square means 1. Okay, now it is completely factorized. अब यहाँसम्म factorize गर्दा we found here okay expression, same expression 4x square plus 2x plus 1, 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, यो चाहिँ हामीले अघि नै फाइन्ड आउट गरेको फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेसन को रिजल्ट हो. Here you can see 4x square plus 2x plus 1, 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, sorry, SCF, right? Therefore SCF is equals to 4x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the SCF. Okay, so now let's solve it. है अब यसलाई हामी सल्भ गरौँ. Here first expression. Okay, we are going to write here first expression. First expression is x square minus 18x, x square minus 18x, then minus 19, okay, plus 20y, okay, minus y square. यहाँ त हामीलाई कस्तो खालको भेरिएबल हामी देखिरहेका छौं? x square छ, 18x छ, फेरि y square पनि छ, y छ. Okay, so we can convert, okay, we can convert this into, अब यसलाई हामीले a minus b को होल स्क्वायर, फेरि y को लागि पनि, okay, either we can convert into a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. यसरी हामीले छुट्टै छुट्टै बनाउनु पर्यो. x को x भेरिएबल को छुट्टै स्क्वायर को फर्म बनाउनु पर्यो. y variable को लागि पनि we have to make here a separate square term. First expression को लागि x square and then minus 2 into x into 9 then plus 9 square सँगसँगै minus 9 square पनि गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, यो सँगसँगै 9 square पनि गर्यौं हामीले. So again, what we can write here? यो त अब a minus b को whole square को फर्ममा we can write here. यतिसम्म भयो. अब यो बाहेक here it is minus 19. Okay, simply अहिलेको लागि 20y minus y square लेखिराखौं किन भन्दा यसको क्याल्कुलेसन पनि हामीले एड गरेपछि अनि कमन लिउँला है. Okay, so this is x minus 9 को whole square भइसक्यो. Okay, यहाँसम्मको टर्म इन्क्लुड भयो x minus 9 को whole square. अब minus 9 square भनेको minus 81 minus 19 plus 20y minus y square. किन भन्दा यो क्याल्कुलेसन गरौँ यसलाई एड गरौँ then what will get? Okay, then we can convert it. X minus 9 square minus 81 र minus 19 भनेको will get here minus 100 then plus 20y minus y square. Okay, अब हामीले x minus 9 को whole square and then here 81 and then minus 81 and minus 19 means this is minus 100 plus 20y as it is and minus y square as it is. Okay, now we have to take common now we have to take common minus from the last three terms. Minus sign common लिनु पर्यो है. Okay, so let's take here minus sign common. This is x minus 9 whole square then minus, if you take common, okay, we'll get here 100 then minus 20y, okay, then plus y square. So this is x minus 9 को square को form मा भयो. यसलाई पनि हामीले square कै form मा convert गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, we can easily convert it. Let's write first of all here y square. Okay, अब हामीले 20 लाई कसरी लेख्न मिल्छ त? 20 लाई 2 then into then y into 10 we can write. Okay, यो भनेको 10 2s are 20 y and then plus 100 means it is 10 square. 100 means 10 square. Now this is in the form of y minus 10 whole square. Okay, we can write here x minus 9 whole square and then minus y minus 10 whole square. Now we can use here, okay, x a square minus b square formula. Okay, we can use here a square minus b square formula. So let's write here. यो भनेको त x minus 9 plus y minus 10. Okay, 1 a plus b. A minus b means x minus 9 then minus y plus 10. Okay, try to understand. यहाँ हामीले minus sign ले पनि यसलाई के गरिसक्यौ, ओपन गरिसक्यौ है. Okay, now let's write by यसलाई arrange गरेर पनि लेखौं र यहाँ minus x plus y minus 9 minus 10 means minus 19 we can write here x minus y then 10 minus 9 is plus 1 we can write. So now this is completely factorized. Now let's move to the second expression. Okay, so second expression I'm going to factorize here. Second expression. Second expression is x square plus x minus y square then plus y. Okay, यसमा हामीले अब separate x y यसरी common लिँदा we can't factorize it, है. त्यसरी factorize गर्न सकिदैन. So what we are going to do here, first of all we are going to arrange here. Okay, we'll write x square then minus y square because a square minus b square formula we can use and plus x plus y. Okay, अब यो त हामीले a square minus b square formula we can use here. A square minus b square formula भनेको here x plus y, okay, and then x minus y. This one x plus y you can write inside the bracket in this way. Okay, x plus y. So now you can see here two terms. This one is one term, another term. From these two terms we can take here common x plus y. यो दुईटै टर्ममा हेर्दाखेरि we'll get here x plus y common. What is remaining? X minus y and then plus, okay, nothing is here, so 1 we have to write. Okay, now this is also completely factorized. X plus y, x minus y plus 1. Now third expression. Okay, so third expression is x square minus y square. X square minus y square plus 2y minus 1. Okay, यहाँ पनि हामीले x square minus y square त देखिरहेका छौं, तर हामीले यहाँ a plus b a minus b को फर्मुला युज गर्यौं भने we can't factorize it. त्यो त फ्याक्टराइज गर्न सकिदैन, किन भन्दा यहाँ त x र y को टर्म हुन्छ, यहाँ त y मात्रै टर्म छ. ओके, सो त्यो तरिकाले गर्न मिल्दैन यसमा, किन भन्दा यहाँ x square minus y square को फर्मुला गर्दा x y र x y को टर्म आउँछ भने यहाँ y र 1 मात्रै छ. Okay, so what we have to do here, simply you have to write here x square, and then here you have to take your minus common. Minus common लियो भने y square minus 2y plus 1 we can write. Okay, so यो भनेको त x square, then minus, you can see here, यो त अब y को square भयो, y square. Okay, minus 2 into y into 1, then plus 1 square. यसलाई हामीले square को टर्ममा एक्सप्रेस गर्न मिल्यो. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this we can write here x square minus, okay, now this can be written as y minus 1 whole square. Okay, y minus 1 whole square. यो मैले यो लास्ट एक्सप्रेसन, फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेसन को लास्ट रिजल्ट यहाँ लेख्छु है त. ओके, लास्ट रिजल्ट के छ त x plus y minus 19, okay, and x minus y plus 1 छ है. यो फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेसन को result हो, first expression. We have to later on compare. Okay, so I'm going to rub this one. Now let's find it. यसमा हामीले a square minus b square formula we can use. Okay, so x plus y minus 1. Okay, another one is x then minus y then plus 1. Okay, so यो भनेको a plus b. This is a minus b, and we found this one. Okay, now let's compare here. First expression ko you can see here x minus y plus 1. Here you can see. In second expression x minus y plus 1. Again you can see there. Third expression x minus y plus 1. Okay, in all the expression you can see the common x minus y plus 1. Okay, so you can write here, therefore SCF is equals to x minus y plus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. In this way, we completed this question number 3O. Okay.